The MLA from MAWKYNREW constituency BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH had released Lanora band's first music video on the 22nd of March 2021 in the presence of the SORDAR of PINGWAIT village, CRESCENT LYNGDOH, band members, artists, family members and other invitees. The music video entitled Joy was arranged and directed by the band's lead vocalist PYNBIANGLAng KSHIAR. On the occasion, the MLA from MAWKYNREW constituency BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH expressed his belief that the band's first music video would definitely send a strong message to all viewers of the unity and integration through community development. LYNGDOH wished the band members and all involved the very best and also promised that he would do all he can to support the band in their upcoming music projects.
I could play a pin of Baro. I am a band, the Lanora band, the Trishito, but Baro given on his shim and dark in on the top. Ublay you don't can love P. Unambetel TP, Opinia, you can take a day, Nagabanda, Maginawanra, Imlang Salang, for a job about a constituency jongi, but a pop state for away. Gamdon in a Glen Jonga and Ray, Shwaban Shong. Nangi Shakman, that a Pidam Don Kinuki plan. Kino kicupur hat na kalian ke chopi. Umno bangin haban benmi video lain kino kibang haban le iki recording kibang biang. Kino so kumbang lain pen bejmani. Wan mani kendo ini syam lang ini petlang. Nakabanta menginang la shisha ban penila ke jong kesap apa. Pidon kesap don kam kinong prilat belti.
Not obscure.